You can operate the CE8000 using either the touch panel or operation keys. When using the touch panel, click on any of the icons at the bottom of the home screen to navigate between menu screens. When using the operation keys, hold down the Enter key and press the left or right position keys to select the icons. Release the Enter key to proceed to the desired menu screens. The CE8000 control panel screens include the Home screen, Continuous Operation Start screen, Quick Menu screen, Cut Condition screen, and the Menu screen. Functions that can be operated and set from the menu screen are as follows. Link, for output operations such as data link. Tool, sets the conditions related to tool operation. Arms, for operations related to alignment of tools and media, such as arms. Area, sets the cutting area, scale, and rotation. Media, sets media conditions. Config, sets the basic operating conditions and interface with connected computers. Info, for maintenance operations, such as diagnostic tests and exporting conditions. Select Home icon to return to the home screen. Select Tool icon to move to the conditions screen. Setting the tool conditions on the Cut Condition screen. Tool conditions can be saved by assigning condition numbers 1 through 8 for settings such as speed, cutting force, and acceleration. For tool position, distance adjust, cut line pattern, blade control force, tangential mode, overcut, and initial downforce. Functions that can be operated and set from the quick menu screen are as follows. Copy, copy and output data from the buffer memory. Origin, set current tool position as the origin point. Condition number, changes the cutting condition number. View, moves tool carriage away from cutting area. Home, moves tool carriage to the origin point. Reset, returns cutter to state immediately after power on. For more details regarding the CE8000 control panel operations, please refer to Chapter 2, Section 7 of the User's Manual.